Assam Mazdoor Union has restricted petroleum supply to Meghalaya Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya. Sanchet Surekha, General Secretary, Petrol Pump Dealers Association of Meghalaya, asked the state government to intervene into the matter, which can pose a problem to consumers in Meghalaya.
I would like to make a plea to our government to kindly intervene into the matter and see that Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union, without any reason, they should not keep blocking the supplies of our state. I feel for the next at least 2 days, our state should not be having any problem. Even if we do not receive supplies for the next 2 days, we have sufficient supplies in our state. All the petrol pumps are almost working at full capacity. So for the next 2 days, there should not be any shortage of petrol. But after that, if we do not receive our supplies within the 2 days, we should be seeing a lot of petrol pumps going dry.
And now